My name is Jacob Garcia Sanchez.
My name is Gus Brown.
I'm a senior in electrical engineering at Charlotte.
I'm a senior mechanical engineering major at Charlotte, and my senior design project is with NAVAIR. Our industry supporter met with us at a kickoff breakfast and outlined the problem that we were to solve. The MQ-8C is a full-size helicopter.
Their landing sensors were failing.
This problem that they tasked us with is an actual problem.
We were tasked with redesigning the weight on skids sensors so that I can tell the aircraft when it is fully landed or when it is airborne.
So the first semester of the year-long project, you spend a lot of time designing a prototype or a solution to the problem.
There we had to do research and see what would be the best option and how that would work.
We presented them to our industry sponsor and gave them the opportunity to give us feedback and tell us which one they liked and which one they didn't like and for what reasons.
And this second half has been a lot more exciting because we're actually implementing it and getting to build.
The second phase of the project was my favorite part.
And so with our project, it was kind of like two projects into one.
Because it's such a large aircraft, we had to find a way to test our design without having the physical aircraft.
We had to make our own model skids. We made a way for it to be lifted and dropped to simulate landing scenarios.
Manufacturing our product has been very satisfying as all of our CAD work and online modeling has paid off and made it very easy for these physical solutions to come to fruition. We had a meeting with our industry supporter NAVAIR showing them our final solution on our test bench and providing the data that we're collecting.
They really kind of took the bull by the horns and really tackled the problem and came up with a really good solution that we'd be interested in really kind of applying to our system in the future.
Our design working how we expected was very great for the group, but also great for our industry supporter to see that the idea will work.
It was honestly a great experience for us.
I definitely think that it has prepared me in various ways, working with an industry partner and supporter.
This has been a great process and very cool to learn and see how the industry works. I actually accepted a job offer from them because I really was interested in what they were doing and liked the scope of work for our project.